Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Khabay, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add salt to taste. Add cooking oil. Add bay leaves, red chilies, cinnamon stick, cloves, cumin, green cardamom, black peppers. Fry until golden brown. Add sliced onions. Continue cooking on low to medium flame until onions turn golden brown. Add diced carrots. Mix well and continue cooking. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add water. Add red chili powder. Add cumin powder. Add coriander powder. Add biryani masala. Add turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add chicken Weiners or hot dogs. Mix well and continue cooking. Add soya sauce. Add tomatoes. Mix well and continue cooking. Remove bay leaves. Add rice to boiling water. Continue cooking on high flame. Drain boiled rice. Move previously prepared chicken Weiner masala from pan into large pot. Spread chicken Weiner masala evenly. Add boiled rice. Add yellow food color. Add fried onions. Add mint, fresh coriander or cilantro. Add green chilies. Add hero water. Add rose water. Add clarified butter or ghee. Cover and steam cook on low flame. Remove lid. Chicken wiener or hot dog biryani is ready. It can be served with yogurt dip or Raita. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.